Have you ever wondered how to truly build wealth through real estate? This episode has the answers. Today, I'm sharing the strategies used by the rich to build generational real estate wealth. Based on years of personal experience in working with wealthy real estate investors, these strategies have consistently shown results. Welcome to Strategy Saturday. I'm Charles Carillo, and today we'll be discussing the proven strategies of real estate wealth building. I'll simplify complex investment concepts into actionable steps that anyone can follow. We'll cover everything from passive income through property rentals to leveraging tax benefits. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear roadmap on how to enter the real estate market intelligently and profitably. Get ready to transform your financial future with these insights. Before we start, I want to clarify what I mean when I say wealthy. Rich and wealthy are commonly used interchangeably, but truly wealthy people accumulate assets that produce income and/or appreciate in value, usually both. That being said, we'll focus on true wealth building strategies through real estate for this episode. Number one is buy and hold residential properties. So this could be single family homes where you purchase homes and rent them out. Maybe they are properties you renovate first and then rent out. Single family homes attract longer term tenants that usually require less management. They could also be multifamily properties. Purchasing multi-unit properties helps to scale your portfolio faster, and the business plan is pretty straightforward. When you purchase multifamily properties, ensure that rent covers your expenses and mortgage, make repairs and renovations to boost rents, focus on tenant retention, and in 10 years, the property has doubled in value. Now, of course, this is very oversimplified, but one recurring theme in all of these strategies is that they're pretty simple. Maybe not easy, but they're simple. Another way of using rental houses is vacation rentals. Now, buy properties in popular destinations and rent them out on short-term rental platforms like Airbnb and VRBO. Number two is house hacking. Now, this is one of my favorite ways of getting involved in real estate investing. Buy a multifamily property, 2 to 4 units, live in one unit and rent out the others. Since you live there, you can usually get a low down payment loan, making it within reach for many people. Check episode SS191 to learn more about house hacking, and the link is in the description. Number three is commercial real estate. Now, these properties usually require more experience and capital, but can be very profitable. They include office buildings, mixed-use properties with residential and commercial spaces, retail properties, warehouses, and large apartment complexes. If you want to know more about commercial real estate financing, check out GI 244, where Peak Financing co-founder Anton Matley discusses commercial real estate financing with us, and the link is also in the description. Number four is real estate syndications. Passively invest in a real estate syndication with an experienced operator, and syndications allow smaller investors to pool their money with other investors to purchase larger commercial properties managed by professional operators. Number five is real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Now, investing in REITs definitely is the easiest way to start investing in real estate. REITs are available in most brokerage accounts and usually require a small minimum investment. Yes, you'll miss out on the tax benefits, more about that later, and more important benefits, but it is easy, 100% passive, and you can do it today. Some additional strategies the wealthy use that I want to touch base on. Utilizing depreciation, because depreciation is one of the major benefits of owning investment real estate. It allows real estate investors to defer taxes throughout the property's investment hold period. For example, you own an income-producing apartment complex. As a property value increases, this is an unrealized gain, so it's tax deferred, and you're receiving regular income from the property, which also can be deferred. How much income can be shielded depends on your tax situation. Still, it is not uncommon for many investors to defer taxes on their cash flow by utilizing depreciation. The next strategy I want to touch on is another tax strategy called the 1031 exchange. So 1031 exchanges allow real estate investors the ability to defer capital gain taxes on an investment property when it's sold, if they purchase another like-kind property with the proceeds. And the third strategy I see wealthy people utilize with their businesses is team building. Wealthy people have a team around them that includes bookkeepers, accountants, attorneys, property managers, real estate agents, and lenders, to name a few. So a few steps you can take to start building real estate wealth. Number one, start educating yourself. Start preparing yourself financially. Choose a strategy and a market to focus on. Start building your team. Start underwriting properties, and get a mentor if you need hands-on guidance. So I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to rate, review, subscribe. Submit comments and potential show topics at globalinvestorspodcast.com. If you're interested in actively investing in real estate, please check out our courses and mentoring programs at syndicationsuperstars.com. That is syndicationsuperstars.com. Look forward to 2 more episodes next week. See you then. Have you always wanted to invest in real estate but didn't have the time, didn't know where to find the deals? Couldn't get the funding and didn't want tenants calling you? Since 2006, I've been buying income-producing properties in great locations that provide us with consistent passive income while we wait for appreciation in the future and take advantage of tax laws while we're waiting. And unlike your financial advisor, we invest alongside our investors in every property we purchase. Check out investwithharborside.com. If you like the idea of investing in real estate, if you like the idea of passive income, partner with us at investwithharborside.com. That's investwithharborside.com.
Nothing in this episode should be considered specific, personal, or professional advice. Any investment opportunities mentioned on this podcast are limited to accredited investors. Any investments will only be made with proper disclosure, subscription documentation, and are subject to all applicable laws. Please consult an appropriate tax, legal, real estate, financial, or business professional for individualized advice. Opinions of guests are their own. Information is not guaranteed. All investment strategies have the potential for profit or loss. The host is operating on behalf of Syndications Superstars, LLC exclusively.